Hi folks, it's that time again, so it's time to see how these whiskies are getting on. It's been a little over a month this time, couldn't get around to it last week, so we're a week later, so it's been a long month, should we say. We'll start with the main recipe. This is the one that's currently at about 45% ABV and has been watered down each month, and we'll see what's this tasting like. There's a lot less the oakiness in the aroma, and I'm picking up a bit more of that sort of fruitiness that I was getting last month. It's almost as if I can start smelling the peaty smokiness coming back, but I'm not sure whether that's just wishful thinking or I actually am smelling that. Let's see what it tastes like. Well, the oakiness hasn't completely gone, but it's definitely subdued a lot. I think if you liked an oaky bourbon, I think that would be quite nice. It's not bad. It's not. It's very slightly bitter. No worse than drinking a beer. Some beers can be quite obviously bitter in taste. I still think it needs a bit more aging. It's at 45% at the moment. I'll dilute that down to about 40% and it'll be left there for another month and we'll see how well that goes. Not too bad. Hydrometer reading of that whiskey, and it's already near 40%, so I'm actually not going to dilute it any further. I'm just going to leave it for another month to continue maturing. So now let's try the other recipe that I was doing, and this one has a slightly wider cut from the still, and has been aging at 55% ABV all the time. It's just sat in there. See how that's getting on. Like last month, I find that really difficult to pull anything out of the aroma. No, hardly anything at all. There's a sort of slight hint of something in there, but I can't focus on it. I can't pick it out. Yeah, the bitterness is still taking a while to fade away. It's hard to be sure, but I would say that's certainly less than last month. Just a little bit too tannic. If I swirl it around my mouth and really allow it to settle across all the taste buds, there's some key tannins flavour that lingers on the tongue. No, definitely needs some more time. That's not ready yet by a long way. But this one was always going to be left longer. The intention was it would be at least a year that it would go before, but I thought it would ever be even close to being ready. So again, we'll just seal that one back up again and come back to it next month and see where it is then.